Welcome to Wapsipinicon State Park here in Animos, Iowa. We just came down off the bluff and we are now heading along the watershed creek line here where the caves are. We've got picnic areas along this creek line here. Campgrounds are on top. I should say the one campground is up top of the bluff here, which are primitive, as well as drive-through sites with electric fire rings, tables. You can see here in the picnic area along the creek line, tables and charcoal grills, well shaded in areas and plenty of sun in others. This area is mixed in among the limestone outcroppings, which gives it lots of character. This is Ice Cave.